Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I did an update on the Project Ford Ranger that I've done some videos on. So in today's video I wanted to cover some of the changes I've made recently. I've actually been really busy. The truck's gotten a lot of work done to it since the last video. Probably the most obvious thing you're noticing right now is that the truck's sitting quite a bit lower than it did before. And I did mention in one of the earlier videos that I was going to lower this truck. So the truck's now sitting on DJM 3-inch drop beams in the front and a flip kit in the back that gives about a 4-inch drop. And I've also installed Beltec shocks to go along with that. While I was at it, I replaced pretty much all of the rest of the suspension, including the front coil springs, ball joints, brakes, rotors, wheel bearings. I mean, you name it, the whole front end's been replaced. Out back, the only thing that's left that is original right now is the leaf springs themselves. And with as many miles as this truck has on it, and as old as it is, I'll probably go ahead and replace those sometime in the near future too. Another change you might have noticed that the wheels are now black. These are actually the same wheels that you saw in the last video. I decided to go ahead and paint them black. It's actual wheel paint, it's not plasti dip or anything like that. Turned out pretty good. I was able to do these in an entire afternoon, and I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. So about the only thing I have left to do here in the near term is go ahead and get an alignment. I did do a home alignment here. I took some measurements and got it as close as I could. Close enough that I'm actually comfortable driving it every day right now to work and back. I haven't seen any abnormal tire wear, and I've been driving it like that for probably about a month now. Just haven't had time to get it to a shop, but I need to do that soon. But other than that, my plans pretty much right now are just to daily drive it until the snow flies, and then I'll probably park it after that and then decide what I want to do the rest of the winter as far as work. I mentioned in one of the earlier videos, this truck is the 2.3/4 cylinder and it's really slow. I do want to address that at some point to make this truck have some more power. Just haven't decided how I want to go about doing that yet, whether it's going to be a turbo coupe engine swap or if I would go all out and do some sort of V8 swap or something like that. Alright everybody, that's all I have for today's video. If you liked the video and you want to see more videos on this truck, be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up on this video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.